Troubleshoot muffled sound on your AirPods.
Hello, everyone. We understand that you might be experiencing issues with your AirPods, such as muffled or unclear sound. This is not only frustrating, but it can hinder your enjoyment of music, videos, and phone calls. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this common problem and how to fix it.
What could cause muffled sound in AirPods?
AirPods can produce muffled sound due to various reasons. Dirt or debris. The tiny speakers in your AirPods can easily become blocked by dirt or debris. This is one of the most common causes of muffled sound. Software glitches. Sometimes, the software on your device might have a minor glitch causing this problem. Damage. Your AirPods might have suffered physical or water damage which can affect the sound quality.
How to clean your AirPods.
The first step is cleaning your AirPods. 1. Use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to gently wipe the outside of your AirPods. 2. For the speaker meshes, use a dry cotton swab. But be careful not to push the dirt further into the AirPods. 3. Do not use water or liquids of any kind as this can cause more damage.
How to troubleshoot software issues.
If cleaning doesn't help, try troubleshooting potential software issues. Check for updates. Make sure both your AirPods and the connected device are running the latest software. Forget and reconnect your AirPods. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings, forget the AirPods, and then reconnect them. Reset your AirPods. If reconnecting doesn't work, try resetting your AirPods.
What if none of these work?
If you've tried all the above steps and the sound is still muffled, the problem might be due to physical damage. Take your AirPods to an authorized Apple service center for professional assessment. In this video, we've explored the causes of muffled or unclear sound in your AirPods and potential solutions to the problem. Remember, gentle cleaning, software troubleshooting, and professional help if necessary are your main tools in resolving this issue. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you'll be back to crystal clear audio in no time.